Quality management in sewing factories. What is a defect in the sewing process? A defect in the sewing process refers to any imperfection or non-compliance with the specified standards and requirements in the production of a garment or textile. Defects in the sewing process can occur at any stage of production, from pattern making and cutting, to stitching and finishing. Examples of defects in the sewing process include broken or skipped stitches, misaligned seams, fabric holes or tears, uneven hemming, misaligned buttons, poor finishing, dye bleeding, uneven color, and misaligned prints, among others. Defects can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor quality materials, improper sewing techniques, machine malfunctions, and human error. They can impact the appearance, fit, and quality of the finished product and can result in customer dissatisfaction and increased costs. Therefore, it is important to have a robust quality control process in place to identify and prevent defects in the sewing process, and to ensure that the final product meets the required standards and customer expectations. In the sewing industry, defects can occur at any stage of the production process and can take many forms. Some of the most common types of defects in the sewing process include Type 1 stitching defects. These are defects that occur in the stitching process and can include broken stitches, skipped stitches, and uneven stitches. Type 2 fabric defects. These are defects that occur in the fabric itself and can include holes, tears, and runs. Type 3 cut defects. These are defects that occur during the cutting process and can include misaligned seams, uneven cuts, and fabric waste. Type 4 size and fit defects. These are defects that occur in the finished product and can include garments that are too big or too small, or that don't fit properly. Type 5 style and appearance defects. These are defects that affect the appearance of the finished product and can include uneven hemming, misaligned buttons, and poor finishing. Type 6 color and dye defects. These are defects that occur in the dyeing process and can include uneven color, dye bleeding, and color fading. Type 7 print defects. These are defects that occur in the printing process and can include misaligned prints, smudges, and streaks. Type 8 material defects. These are defects that occur in the materials used in the production process and can include fraying, shrinkage, and fabric weakness. It is important for the sewing industry to identify and address these defects to ensure that products are made to the required standards and meet customer expectations. Thanks for watching.